Define the term species.
A group of organisms that reproduce to produce fertile offspring.
What type of evidence can scientists use to find out how closely related organisms are?
Pedigree analysis, to study inheritance patterns in families. Comparison of morphology or anatomy, looking at structural similarities and differences. Comparison of DNA or amino acid sequences, to see how similar the genetic information is.
Explain how DNA extracted from an organism can be used to identify different species.
The DNA can be sequenced to find the order of bases, A, T, C, and G. The obtained DNA sequence is then compared with known DNA sequences stored in genetic databases.
List the characteristics of living organisms.
Movement, ability to move parts of the body or the whole organism. Respiration, chemical reactions that release energy from food. Sensitivity, ability to detect and respond to changes in the environment, stimuli. 4. Growth, permanent increase in size and dry mass. 5. Reproduction, producing offspring of the same kind. 6. Excretion, removal of waste products from metabolism. 7. Nutrition, taking in materials for energy, growth, and repair.
Define the term sensitivity.
The ability to detect stimuli in the internal, external environment, to make appropriate responses.
State the uses of energy in humans.
Muscle contraction, movement, maintaining body temperature, active transport, cell division and growth, protein synthesis, transmission of nerve impulses.
The kidney is one of the main excretory organs of the body. Define the term excretion for 3 marks.
Excretion is the removal of toxic materials, waste products of metabolism, e.g., carbon dioxide, urea, and substances in excess from the body of an organism.
Growth is a characteristic of living organisms. Define the term growth for 2 marks.
Growth is the permanent increase in size.
Explain the difference between growth and development in living organisms.
Growth is a permanent increase in size or dry mass, usually by the increase in number and size of cells. Example, a seedling growing taller or forming more leaves. Development is the process by which cells become specialized and the organism becomes more complex, forming new structures like roots, stems, or flowers.
State 3 visible features that could be used to distinguish insects from other arthropods.
They have 3 pairs of legs. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Most have wings, 1 pair of antennae, and compound eyes.
State the visible features that can be used to identify birds.
They have beaks, they have feathers, they lay eggs with hard shells.
State the main groups, or classes, of arthropods.
Crustaceans example crabs, shrimps. Arachnids example spiders, scorpions. Myriapods example centipedes, millipedes and insects example beetles and butterflies.
State the visible features that can be used to identify arthropods.
Jointed legs, legs with joints for movement. Segmented body, body divided into segments. Exoskeleton, hard outer skeleton for protection and support. Antennae, 1 or more pairs used for sensing the environment.
Give the characteristics of fungal cells that distinguish them from prokaryotes.
Nucleus, contains genetic material. Mitochondria, site of respiration. Rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in protein synthesis. Vacuole, stores water and nutrients. Cell wall, made of chitin, unlike prokaryotes. Hyphae, long filamentous structures.
Explain the main characteristic features of amphibians.
Moist, permeable skin, ectothermic or cold-blooded, dual life. Most undergo metamorphosis, with an aquatic larval stage, e.g., tadpole, and a terrestrial adult stage. Respiration, through skin, lungs, and sometimes gills. Limbs, usually 4. Reproduction, mostly external fertilization. Eggs are soft and jelly-like.